Hi everyone. Today is the channel for Ronaldo to start eating food from my channel.
Nagaw gitewa.
This is a food channel.
So what curry you are eating now?
I'm eating fish.
So people that you are eating,
Eating this.
you are always talking. Tell me like, how no?
So the tastiest thing
Oh yeah.
goes to our lung. The useless thing goes to our belly. So it's called Mukbang. Okay? Now this is a steak for this rice. If you put this rice in your mouth,
Champun laire, sida bamboo shoot chutney laire, sida nga insang chaba laire, ngareng kangawa, sida pepay laire, pepay, sida iden laire. Say bye bye.
bye bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
We'll come back with a new video.
We'll come back with a new video.